Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your personal details and cancel your account on the RedNote app. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more. Part 1. Clearing personal details. First, go to your device's settings and scroll down to find the Apps section. Inside the apps, scroll down to the bottom and open the RedNote app settings. Look for options like Allow Tracking or Permissions. Toggle off any settings that might store your personal details. Part 2. Clearing cache. Next, let's clear the cache. Open the RedNote app and tap the Me option in the bottom right corner. Go to the settings icon and scroll down to find Clear Cache. Tap it to clear the cache and you're done. Part 3. Account cancellation. Finally, to cancel your account, go to Settings and select Account Security. Choose Account Cancellation and enter the OTP sent to your phone. Click the red button, then accept the terms and conditions and click the red button again. The app will then ask for 2 reasons for deleting your account. Select the reasons and click the confirmation button. Once everything is done, you can uninstall the app from your device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.